Hi, welcome back. This is Chandra Sekhar Bijibilla from Coding Tutor. As part of ReactJS series, this is the second video. ReactJS environment setup. Once your environment is ready, we can start ReactJS concepts with hands-on applications we are going to start it. For that purpose, first we need to set up the environment. Before going to start environment, let me tell you once again what is ReactJS. ReactJS is a JavaScript library for building user interface, especially single page applications. In my last video also, what is single page application? What is the ReactJS features, virtual DOM, component based architecture, those concepts, interaction part were covered. Today, we are going to focusing environment setup. For that purpose, quick update, last video points I am going to explaining here. Building reusable UI components and virtual DOM, and especially React is used for developing the web applications. Even if you want to develop the mobile application, if you are good at React, you can use React Native. Easily you can able to learn and develop the mobile applications also. So first of all, why use React for web development? The main reason is component based architecture. Your UI is organizing with the different kind of parts and fast performance. Why? Because visual DOM is there, reusable code, so you can use one component to the many areas level, many application level, and there is a strong community ecosystem is there. If you want to get any kind of help through the community, you can able to get easily, you can get the solution. And these main areas, most of the nowadays company people are going to using what? A React. That kind of React, if you want to develop, first environment setup is required. Of course, React is also JavaScript library. In HTML also you can use script tag level uh, CDN kind of link, content delivery networks, but that is not good real time level. You need to execute JavaScript in the separately, instead of going to using uh, CDN links, instead of going to using script tag. If you want to execute in the console level also, definitely we need to maintain the software. That software is nothing but a node. So what I'm trying to explaining here is JavaScript is executed in the browser. Everyone knows this one, right? That JavaScript, if you want to execute in the console or backend, what is required? Node.js is required. For that purpose, you need to download Node software. That Node software is nodejs.org site is available. Whatever the latest version is available, you can download. Once you are going to download, you can get the exe file. You can run on exe file. Automatically, it is going to set up in the Windows level. Whether it is installed properly or not, how to check this one? For that purpose, you can open the command prompt. That command prompt level, you can give small command node space -v. So whatever the version is at the time of your download version, it is going to display. Even along with the node package manager also it is going to install. So you can check that one. How to check? Npm space -v along with the node package manager, node package extension also it is going to install. If you want to check that one, npx space -v, you can use. How I'm going to checking node, similar kind of way you can use npm commands also, so that you can understand which version is your install, your environment is ready or not. This is the first thing. Once you are install this one, you need to download one more thing is VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Why? Because you can use any kind of IDE tool. This is open source, freely available. You can use any other kind of IDE tools like a bracket, anything, autumn, anything. But most of the people are going to using front end and back end nowadays Visual Studio Code. So that the reason my entire series I'm going to focusing with the help of VS Code. So that's why I'm going to give the suggestion, same kind of way how I'm going to develop in the applications, same kind of way, what kind of extensions, what kind of um, uh, functionalities I'm going to developing. If you want to implement same kind of way, my suggestion is VS Code. Okay. So once you are done, you can able to create a first application also, so that you can understand where this application is uh, perfectly it is running, environment setup is working fine or not. We are going to see that one. So that's why I'm going to focusing first, in my system level already node software is available, even though I'm going to showing how to download, and EVS code also it is available, even though I'm going to showing how to download also where it is available. First to open the browser. Once you are going to open the browser, you can open the Google. If most of the people are aware how to search, right? So you can use here Nodes.js download. Okay, so it is going to give the site. What is the site? Nodejs.org site. If you are going to click this one, it is going to showing download page. Okay, so even if you want to go to the backward kind of version also, not at all problem. Here you can able to choose this one. I'm using here stable version. So LTS is nothing but a long term support is there. So my suggestion recommended one is LTS kind of versions. So you can choose any version. Once you are going to click Windows and all, you can get the exe file, MSA file. Click this one. Once you are going to click this one, download it is going to starting. Download it is going to starting. So once it is download is completed, go to your downloaded area or workspace where you are going to store all the softwares. So go to that particular location. So once you are go to that one, you need to run as administrator or as directly exe file, right? You can double click on this one, it is going to install. In my system level already it is available, so that reason I'm not at all showing the installation process. Again I'm repeating, don't confuse. Simply double click on this one, it is going to installing that one automatically. Environment setup is automatically it is going to set. Without an environment setup, without installation, node commands are not recognizing. Why? Because node is separate, node is not part of the Windows. So Windows commands are okay, but node commands it is not able to recognizing. That's the reason we need to install and set up the path also. This exe file automatically set the path also. Okay. So whether it is installed properly or not, how to check this one? For that purpose, you need to open the command prompt. I'm opening the command prompt. I need to go to my workspace, go to the D drive. Here I'm going to open one new folder. This folder name I'm going to give React training. You can give any name. Okay, React training. So once you are open this one, here open the command prompt. Once you are open the command prompt, you need to check node software is installed properly or not, right? So for that purpose, node space -v. See, my system level node version now 22 is available, right? So if you want to check along with the node package version also, npm space -v. So it is going to give the node package manager version 10.9.2 and npx -v. This is the way you can check node is installed or not. This is the first thing. Once it is done, you need to download VS Code also. How to download? I'm going to showing again. Go to the Google. Here we need to search VS Code, VS Code like this, VS Code download for Windows. If you are going to click this one, it is going to get like this. Okay, here you can click first link. Once you are going to click the first link, see this one here, Windows. Your operating system is most of the cases level people are using Windows operating system. Maybe some people are going to using Linux or Mac. Whatever the operating system you are using, based on that you need to download. Okay, once you are going to click download, it is going to start the download process. See this one, it is going to downloading. It's very easy. There is no complex here. Simply go to the Google and search first node. Second one is VS Code, download and install. Okay, go to the workspace, your download area, and or else sometimes people are going to downloading and kept into the one folder, or else your workspace anywhere. But one time process this one, right? Daily we are not at all installing this one. So run as administrator, click next and finish. Automatically it is going to install. Okay, so this is the way environment setup is required. In this particular video level, we are going to checking this video mainly environment setup purpose, even though that environment is properly working or not, checking purpose. Node is checking, okay, fine. VS Code level, these commands, how it is going to working, we need to check npm commands. So that's the reason I'm going to creating a first React.js project, and I'm going to run this project so that you can understand perfectly React is working as per the environment. Okay, so that is the purpose. I'm going to open the command prompt here, my workspace level. CMD I'm opening. Here, how to create a React.js project. This is the command we are using, npx create -react app, here app name. So this is the first application, environment setup checking purpose. That's the reason I'm going to give here welcome app and press enter. Press enter. So it is going to create in the project structure automatically. It takes time. It depends upon your internet speed and your laptop CPU processor speed. Based on that, it is taking the time. Okay, once project structure is ready, I will explain how to open that project into the VS Code. After that, basic structure based this application, how it is going to running, we are going to see. Okay, see, it is taking the first time little bit time, but the next time onwards it is taking very less amount of time. So very quickly it is going to create in the project structure. Okay, so stay tuned. Sometimes it takes more time, right? So that's the reason maybe video is pause, but you people are stay back. Once project structure is ready, we will continue to open the project structure, and we can see what the folder structure, now how to run the application in this particular video. Okay, I'm waiting here. Project structure creation, it is going on right now. It is going to install in the packages. This might take a couple of minutes, like that it is given the very clearly message also. And it is going to installing React DOM and React script, and one simple template also it is installing automatically. So you are not at all selecting anything. By default, all these kind of things it is going to installing. Whenever we are going to give the command npx space create -react app space project name. Okay, please be wait. Once structure is ready, we will continue. So totally 1,323 packages are added. And some of the cleanup process is also finished. After that, it is going to give the some of the commands also, npm commands. Npm space start the development server, npm run build. We are not discussing these kind of all commands. We are going to focusing environment setup is properly it is set it or not. We are going to checking. That is the purpose, focusing only npm start. um, and even it is going to give all the basic level commands. We will discuss all these kind of commands, when to use, where to use in the coming sessions. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to switch to the project location. How to switch? Cd means change directory. What is the project name? Welcome app, right? So once you are going to press enter, it is switched to the project location. Once you are switching to the project location, I want to see my welcome app project structure into the VS Code. For that purpose, there is a command is available, code space dot, and press enter. Whenever I'm going to give this one, it is going to opening automatically VS Code level your project. This is the way first it is going to opening. This is the welcome. You need to accept, trust this kind of ID. After that, close this welcome. This is the project structure. Okay, this is the project structure. This project structure level, 3 folders, 4 files are available. Node underscore module is one folder, public folder, src. These are the files ignore and package-log.json, package.json, and readme.md file. Okay, so we are going to focusing on the next session level each and every folder, each and every file, what is the purpose, and how to create a component. Within the component, what are the different kind of ways, different kind of data types. You people are already aware the JavaScript level data types, right? I'm going to using different data types, how to define, how to use those kind of things. We are going to focus in the next video level. Okay, until please go through this one, be ready. Along with me, you can also practice, you can get the hands-on experience. If you want to get more detailed project experience, if you want to gain, please contact Coding Tutor. We will give hands-on project, and you can claim more experience also. Once you are going to join the Coding Tutor, real-time environment is there. So this back-end and front-end and DevOps team collaboratively are going to working, so that you can get the more hands-on experience. Okay, only not only for the theoretical part, we are going to see the applications also. If you are join the Coding Tutor, you are part of the projects development also. So that is the way you can climb the more experience. Okay, until stay tuned. Thank you.